Welcome back. Here we are in my kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. It's pumpkin time of year. It's the fall. Pumpkin spice lattes. I don't drink pumpkin spice lattes. It's pumpkin spice everything. Actually, it's a little bit too much pumpkin spice everything. And I was reading the Trader Joe's flyer and they had a pumpkin cream cheese spread. It looked really good, but of course you read the ingredients and there's an awful lot of sugar in it. So it's like, nope, can't have that. So I'm going to try to make my own. But it really is crazy. It's pumpkin spice lotion, it's like, I'm sorry, that's just going way too far. Pumpkin cream cheese spread, I will do. So first I have in this bowl 8 ounces of cream cheese. And it's softened, but I'm going to use my hand mixer and get it fluffy up. I normally don't eat dairy, and I was really surprised at how much cream cheese costs lately. But it's this fall, the baking time, so prices are probably going to go up. I'm going to add a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. I'll see if that's too much. If it is, I'll switch it. But I make my own pumpkin spice because during COVID and the lockdowns, I could not find pumpkin spice, so I had to make my own. And now I want this a little sweeter. Normally I don't add sweetener, but I'm going to do Stevia Now brand Better Stevia French Vanilla. Not a lot, just a little to give it a little bit. So maybe like a half a squirt. And if I need more, I'll add it. And then I'm going to add 8 ounces of pumpkin. So I'm using equal amounts of pumpkin, weight-wise, pumpkin and cream cheese. And this is a half a can of a pumpkin. So let's see how this works. Whoa, I shouldn't have done that. I'll continue mixing this up with a spoon because I was getting too much splashing with the beater, but I wanted to use it because it's going to make it nice and fluffy. I will show you my book, Precision PSMF Cookbook. It's on Amazon. I'll have a link below. No, this dip or spread is not PSMF compatible, but here's my cookbook to help you on your Precision PSMF days. Dr. Carl also has his book out, and I'll have a link to that. His book is in both paperback and ebook. His ebook is not on Amazon. We have that on another platform. This looks really good. I'm going to taste it. That is good. And you can alter the amount of sweetener depending on how you like it. I'm going to add it to a pork rind. I think some ways to have this spread it, you can spread it on any keto bread that you use for toast. Celery would be good. Maybe even cucumbers because it helps keep the sweetener down. I'm just going to put it on pork rinds because I like the crunch. I haven't been liking pumpkin flavored things lately. Last year I made a few things and it's like, oh, I don't like this. This pumpkin cream cheese spread is absolutely delicious. You'll have to try it.